Hello guys, mga classmate, magandang oras sa ating lahat. Maghatid na naman ako ng kwento tungkol dito sa maliit na barya ng Amerika. Ito ay tinatawag na Lincoln Penny, Abraham Lincoln Penny. Ay nabibinta sa napakataas na halaga. At ito yun guys, kanyang facts and history. Could the 1982 penny be worth $35,000? It is to sure that the 1982 penny value can be $35,000. The most valuable penny in the 1982 was the small date copper penny that was minted in Denver. That penny comes with about $18,800. The 1982 D penny has a small date in the code which is considered valuable, but it does not have a value $35,000. The only way the 1982 penny can be worth that much is if it is created with the use of solid copper, which is rare. Its weight is either 2.5 grams or 3.11 grams. The U is meant shifted zinc penny in 1982. But some copper pennies were still created that year. To know that a 1982 penny is made of copper or zinc, measure that weight of the penny is 3.11 grams and zinc pennies, which is about 2.5 grams. The weight value is the best option to the differentiate between the 1982 copper and the 1982 zinc penny. Copper has a higher density than zinc, so copper have a larger weight. Other difference can be made on the base of the coin's color. A copper penny is reddish brown and a zinc penny is silvery gray. A 1982 penny worth $35,000 is rare, minted in the bronze instead of a regular zinc coated steel. Some of these pennies were made, making them suitable for collectors. The penny high worth is 2023 is the 1943 D Lincoln Wheat penny. It is rare penny since it was struck in copper instead of zinc coated steel. Very few pennies were made to make them best for collectors. A 1943 D Lincoln Wheat penny has a value of about $2.3 million in uncirculated condition. So yun guys, ang kwento ng maliit na baryang ito ng Amerika, si Abraham Lincoln Penny. May date siya na 1982 without mint mark. May kasulat in God we trust sa ibabaw at saka yung Liberty sa bandang likuran at sa harapan naman yung 1982, wala siyang mint mark. At ito naman yung likuran guys, nakasulat dito ang United States of America. Tapos may nakalagay na a Floribusiono 1 cent penny. Kadalasan ko ito nakita guys sa kalsada kasi tinatapon lang ito sa mga mga mayayaman pagka sinusukli sa kanila. Ngayon, wala na kang makikita siguro ng tinatapon kasi hindi na sila gumagamit ng mga baryang ito. Puro na sila puro na sila credit card, ATM, wala na nila, hindi na sila humawak ng mga sensilyo. Puro na lang mga credit card yung inasahan nila. Tsaka marami pala itong halaga, malaki pala itong halaga sa auction. Ay nabibinta pala ito, kaya huwag nyo itapon yung mga ganitong coins na maliliit guys, mga centavos, ipunin nyo na. Baka may darating din na panahon na pwede siyang mabibinta. Kaya yun lang guys ang maihatid ko sa inyo na impormasyon at ang kwento tungkol dito. Maraming salamat sa panonood at huwag kalimutan mag-like and subscribe to my channel. God bless everyone. Thank you for watching.